Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. Well, today we have something a little different, and as you can see from the picture, it is this great big huge box, and it's only about 2 inches, deep inside, but it's at least 24 some inch, well, not 24, but it's 20 inches square. Let me put it that way. Let me open this up and we'll get on with it. Right, I am back. As you can see, this is a paint bin number. I got 2 of them. The big huge box looks the same, but I got out the smaller one of the 2. These come from Happyforart.com, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, I'll put them right in here. So I thought I'd open up the smallest one first and see what it was like. It comes in a beautiful box. The box has been nicked, but I don't think we're going to have any problems. Nothing major, going on here. But it does tell you everything that should be in the box. And just a little bit about the company. Let me pull this out. Oh my goodness gracious. So the canvas is all wrapped very nicely. Now you do have your choice whether you want it to be framed or not framed, but I chose that it would be framed already. Let me get this plastic off and we'll take a look. Well, maybe. But very nicely packed. And my big contention with these paint by number companies is that it was not framed, and you just paint the thing, and then you have to have it framed and put on like a frame to stretch it. And then I thought that the acrylic paints or whatever paint that they used would start cracking after you had let it dry and it hadn't been on frame. So when I found this company and the fact that they put it all on a frame already, yeah, I thought that would be too cool. So let's take a look at what's in this bag. We do have an instruction piece of paper, and it shows the same thing that's on the frame, but that way you kind of have a reference in case you paint over it or something goes wrong, or you just can't read the number. So I got this one, and it's in another very nicely packaged thing. I see paintbrushes. Let me just get rid of that. So this is the picture. It looks just like my cat. Yeah, she gives you that look like she's gonna carve your liver. Yeah, that's the look I get all the time. Yeah. And it has all the numbers. So you have 20, it says 24 colors here. But, oh, maybe this one only came with 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So this one comes with 24 colors. And it has stickers that you can put on there if you like for each of the numbers, because it evidently, when you're looking at this, it does have the color number here, but it doesn't have a number. So there's 41, 65, so you can put them, I just suggest keeping it in here, and look, they're not even falling out. And that way you can keep them in order when you're looking. But very nice. It does come with the hooks and the screws for the to hang this afterwards. So, yay. Let's open this up. We don't need the screws and stuff. I just want the paintbrushes. Whoop, now we're gonna lose the screws. Holy cow, get up there, just 2 seconds. Give me a hot moment. Then I could shove them back into the bottom of that. But it comes with 3 paintbrushes. They're the ergonomical. They fit nicely in your hand. So you have a real tiny brush. And you have a square flat brush. And you have a real teeny tiny itty bitty point one. And this covers that to keep it nice and sharp point. And when you dry them, don't put them straight down into a cup like if you're going to hold them. Always put them up, and that way the bristles will stay nice. They won't get splayed out. So yeah, beautiful colors. Let me turn it over so you can see. Oranges and pinks and a black. We got some dark brown. Yeah, that whole cat is, all that gray is black. Yeah, and part of it's some of this brown as well. But very nice colors. Very nice kit. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now this canvas, I gotta get it out of my way. Let me look here. It's supposed to be 40 by 30. So it's 11 3/4 inches or 30 centimeters by, it looks like 39.5 centimeters or 15 inches. But it's a nice size, and it did not look complicated. Like every teeny tiny, yeah. There's going to be some small places. So this looked like it could almost be doable for me. So we will have to wait and see. Let me get this one out of the way. Try to keep everybody together. Hang on just a second. Alright, I am back. So I got the big box out. As you can see, it is ginormous. Just huge. But it has the same beautiful coloring on it. Let me flip it over. We have those lovely colors there. Yeah, just beautiful. Beautiful boxing. Let me see if I can get this out of there. And it'd be a nice little storage box. You know. Okay. Now this one, let me make sure I got everything out of the box. Don't see anything else. Alright, let me go this way. Let me get it out of its bag. Hang on. Alright, I'm back. And this is the image that's going to be on the canvas. It is that beautiful multicolored tiger. This one, instead of 24 colors, has 48 colors. I had to look. Remember, it's 45 or 48. Get it out of its bag. Maybe. And then we can really take a look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely gorgeous. And it does have the colors, numbers here, and it does come with a set of numbers to put on your little paint pots. Just absolutely beautiful. I don't know what the meaning of those colors are. You know, I mean, these numbers don't correspond with anything in my brain. So, it does come with the paper pattern. And this one's going to be a little bit smaller. you know, and have some smaller areas because it's more detailed, more colors. But very nicely printed piece of paper. So, very nice. Now, the cat in the chair was $38.99, and that came framed. And this one is $62.99. Very nice canvas. It's nice and smooth. Yeah, I haven't had paint by numbers that I actually worked on since probably 1969-ish. Yeah. So, yeah, the canvases have changed. They're nice. They're smooth. It's like it's gessoed, if you will, but very taut. And we do have the same paint brushes and all the tools to hang this up with. It also came, oh God, where did that thing go? Hang on. I saw this in here, but I'm not sure where it went. I don't know what these are. Does anybody know what these are? I hate to open it up. Maybe they are, you put them in there and your wall won't get scratched. That's all I could think of. I have no idea. Does anybody know what these are? Not a clue. I'm going to put them right back in that bag. But there was a bag for this one. I don't know where it's at right now. But look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And they're very nicely printed on the top with whatever. They're not DMC numbers. I can flat out guarantee that part. But very pretty, pretty colors. And that's just one. So there's 24 there. And we have another 24 plus 3 extra pots of the black for this. I may save these just so I can put them back in. I'm just setting them aside for right now. But nice little pots. They're always easy to open. You just, oh God. Yep, you just flip it up. I don't want to, that's black. Let's not spill that all over because, you know, stuff happens in Laura's world. But beautiful, bright, vivid colors. Yeah, I really, really did like this. So, let me get that out of the way. And I will hold this canvas. I did notice something before I go and show you all that. Oh God, I don't think I can get there. Nope, on this edge, it does say the product number, and then it says 50 by 50 on it. And that was on the other one. And it does come with a card. Oh, nope, this is not a card. I thought this was going to be a card that you could use to, you know, like when you're done, you could put your name and stuff in. It's not a card. That, folks, is a magnifying glass. I don't know that you can tell that it's magnifying. It's in its own little pouch. The other one probably had one too. I'm not sure. But yeah, that was tucked in the back. But let's get back to this part. But very nicely done. It's going to get a little hairy down in here, a little bit of confetti. But yeah, gorgeous. Just a gorgeously printed thing. Ugh. Okay, and it's crystal clear. Very clear. I'll try to go underneath the bells this time so I don't ring them. But very nice, and it's huge. It says it's 50 by 50, so let's take a look. 50, which is about 19 and a half inches by 49 and a half centimeters. So it's not quite square, but that's fine. That is perfectly fine. So yeah, I think they're beautiful and very well done for the amount of money that they are charging for them. I think they are very well done, very nice. I can't get over how smooth. Everybody knows what those kits were like back in the 60s. You know, they had kind of a rough canvas, but this is very smooth, kind of like it I want to say it's synthetic, but it's not. It's just got a finish to it. And then on this side, it's kind of like a velvet, sort of. Not velvet, but it's the actual cloth. You can tell that this has a coating on the front side, where this is what it was before. So very nicely done, nice and clean and neat. Just absolutely beautiful. Put that down there. I think that is all that I got from the Happyforart company. Thank you so much for sending me these two beautiful kits. We're going to start one of these today, and so be here at 1. I believe I'll probably start the cat just because it's easy to maneuver and also film for that matter. Now, Happyforart has buy 2 get 1 free. They have free shipping plus 35% off. They have all different kinds of paint by numbers, from easy skill level to hard, if you will. And they also have little mini ones that are 8 by 8. So they have lots of categories, lots to choose from. They have tools, brushes, easels, lights, frames. They even have a mystery box that you can get. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.